Guys, welcome back to my channel. This AI tool is totally free of cost, and how long it will be free of cost we don't know. This time you can make AI avatar video, and that is 100% free. So let's start the video.
So firstly, come to this website, Neiro AI. I have given the link in the description. By clicking on that link, you will come to this interface.
Click create free AI videos. Here you can choose any avatar you want. So let me choose this one. Otherwise, you can add any avatar you want from here. Here you will have to paste your script. Otherwise, you can generate your script also. So I'll generate the script, give the topic, write the topic, give the audience, click on generate. Here they have generated to a script. So you can choose it as per your convenience. Click on use a script. Choose the language. Choose the voice. Click generate video. Here you will have to enter your email ID. Fill the mandatory details and submit it. After a few minutes, you will receive this kind of email. From here, you can download your video.
I will revolutionize the job market worldwide. The corporate worker must adapt to this change. Roles will evolve, tasks will be automated, and new skills will be required. It is essential to embrace this technology to remain competitive. The future of work lies in collaboration between humans and AI for improved efficiency and productivity.
This is Obscurious, a YouTube channel. This video is made by Neiro AI text to video generator. So please subscribe the channel because it takes hours to create this kind of video for you.
So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. If you want to support us, please subscribe the channel. Thank you guys. Have a good day. All the best.